Got a job of the day. Happy 4th of July, everyone. She's saying she's having issues with her brakes, so I'm going to take a look at it. There was a little bit, I did this plug, so it might be in there was little connections that I shrunk wrap everything and made sure it wasn't bad, but it might have come loose, so we'll get it taken care of for her. If it was on me, I'm going to warranty it out and go to the next one. But let's get to it. Everything looks good. The only thing that's blinking is the clearance lights. So let's see if the brakes work. I'll lift it up on one side, see if the brakes are working. Looks like we got a lug nut that's on backwards on that. So I'll see if I can take that off and clean it up. But tires off and free spinning. Brakes, got no brakes. What we got? It says brakes are on. It's only giving me a little bit of amps. Wonder if it's the wire's broken. It's acting like the wire's broken. Alright, wire's not broken. I might have to tear it down and see what the magnets look like. Alright, I found what the issue was. So in her backing plate, the wires got rubbed and pulled out. So I put a new backing plate on there. This hub stud right here got melted because that thing was fused on there, so I'm going to chop it and then rethread. I got the hub sanded down, or the hub stud, lug stud cut off. A little sanding for everything to slice on, and rethread with a thread cutter. Did I grab the right size? Nope, 13/16. Oh, 7/8. My goodness. I got third time's a charm, 7/8. Running it past that bad part. And looks good. And tied it off. And check it with a lug nut. Lug nut in hand. I can make sure it works. Yep, lug nut goes on nice and smooth. And there is enough meat on that lug stud to hold onto that wheel. I got this wired up, put it on, check brakes, make sure everything's working. Castle nut is on. I grab my cotter key out of the truck. Got my cotter key, needs to be a little tighter. I will back off one constellation and bend the cotter key. Boom. Cotter key on, let's check brakes, put my remote somewhere. All right, free spinning on the passenger side. Brakes are on, brakes are locked up, brakes are off, everything's free spinning. Perfect. I'm gonna shrink wrap those butt connectors and adjust the brake. Shrink wrap them butt connectors, and then I'm gonna zip tie it so it doesn't flail around. Driver's side brake on and working. Free spinning. All right, all marker lights work. Got left turn working. I got right turn working. All marker lights are on and working. Good, good. Front, top, yes. Top, yes. Perfect. All right, all these wires are wired correctly. Everything's working. Brakes are working. Everything in the plug is wired correctly. Yellow is off because there's no backup. Everything on the trailer works. Right, I'm going to change out this breakaway switch. Where'd my new one go? It's right in front of me. There it is. Found it. And wiring in breakaway switch. New breakaway switch is on. Shrink wrapping the butt connectors. Breakaway switch is on, shrunk wrap, and I electrical taped the exposed wires right there. This trailer's done. New backing plate on the passenger side. The wires on the old backing plate were fully disconnected and rubbed off, so I just changed out the whole thing. All lights work, left turn, right turn. Everything's wired correctly inside the plug. I'm going to torque the lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued, everything works. I adjusted the brakes. A new breakaway switch on for her. And all lights and left turn, right turn, marker lights, brakes, charge line, everything works. I'm on to the next.